If you pay out of pocket for medical procedures, if that's you, how do you know you're getting a decent deal? Well, you don't really, do you? That's why my next guest created what's being called the Expedia of healthcare. His company lets patients comparison shop for different medical procedures. MDSave.com, the founder and CEO thereof, is Paul Ketchel, and he joins us now. All right, Paul, let me get this right. I need a new hip, for example, and I'm paying for it myself. I go onto your website, and you will show me the doctors and their charges for a new hip. That's it?
That's exactly right, Stuart. What we're doing in MDSave is you can look at search a medical procedure based on your location and see the fully bundled cost of that procedure, all the charges rolled into one. You can compare that cost across different providers in your area and receive a very substantial savings for paying for that service up front. So you can pay out of pocket or pay and file that towards your insurance deductible after the fact.
Now, what's your liability? Because if you've connected me with a doctor doing a procedure and it turns bad, turns sour, what's your liability in that transaction?
We're really a transaction arm of that, so it's between the provider and the patient on those treatments. We're really providing a link to those, a lot like Amazon.com is a reseller. Okay. We're a seller of those services, but the patient's choosing the doctor and the procedure that they want to
Now, presumably, though, when I get my range of choice for the different doctors doing the same procedure, I am told a little bit about each doctor, presumably, but do you verify the information which the doctor is providing to me through you?
That's correct. So our providers are credentialed. You know, we've done those checks on the background. And most of the providers you'll see on our site, they're all with major healthcare systems. So a lot of the largest healthcare companies in the country that are really wanting to provide cost and value to their consumers have contracted with us to put their providers on. So it's a lot of the same names, a lot of the same providers that you would know in your community to start out with. So there's really not a quality issue there. It's just giving patients really transparency to transact those services.
Well, that's what the internet is for, and you're using it. We appreciate that. MDSave, you are the founder. Your name is Paul Ketchel. Thanks for being with us today, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay.